All right, next up we got Casey here is going to do Triple Threads Baseball Break. Good luck. Let's see what we got. All right, pack number 1. Start off with David Peralta to 250. Johnny Bench to 354. I think a triple's coming. Greg Maddux, Stan Musial, Donnie Baseball, and it is a triple. Cubbies 26 to 27. Rizzo, Lester, Baez. Told you guys Casey was still in there. And Yasmani Tomas, no relation. 6 of 9. All right, and Cal Ripken Jr., Chris Bryant, John Smoltz, Sonny Gray, Chris Sale, it's a cool looking piece. 2-color patch autograph, 9 of 10, James McCann. And Dustin Pedroia to 36. Sorry, the focus isn't working that well. All right, Casey, I appreciate it, man. I will get it right out to you.